What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can deposit money on Pocket Option using Revolut. So let's get started. Also, if you guys want to save up on trading fees on Pocket Option, you can use my link from the description below to create a new account, and that way you will get 10% lifetime trading fee discounts on that Pocket Option account. And now let's continue. So first off, once you log in into your Pocket Option account, you would need to go to the finance section right here, so we can deposit the funds. Now, once you selected the finance section, click on the deposit option, the first one. From there, just scroll down a bit until you can see the cards section. So now, once we're on the card section, we would need to select the card that Revolut uses. So if you have your Revolut account in USD, you can select this option. But if you have your Revolut account in euros, then you can select this option. Now, let's say that you have your Revolut account in a other currency than these two. Then you would just need to swap the currency of your account to one of these two. Now, once you have done that, you can just select whichever one of these works for you. So in my case, I will select euros. Now, once you did that, you can select the amount of funds that you would like to transfer from your Revolut account to Pocket Option. So let's, for this example, say 20 euros. And here in this bottom section, you would just need to fill in your personal details. Now, once you filled in your details, you can click Continue and Pay. And on this next screen, here you would need to input your card details. So these are the details for your Revolut card. Now, for you to transfer funds from Revolut to Pocket Option, you don't have to have the Revolut physical card. You can just go to your Revolut app and create a virtual card for free if you haven't done that already. Now, once you're in the Revolut app, to get your card details, you would just need to click in the upper right corner to the cards right here. From there, you can select between the cards that you currently have on your account. So because we said virtual, I will select the virtual card. Now you will just need to transcribe the details from your virtual card to these boxes right here. And once you did all that, you would just simply need to click Pay the amount that you have set, so pay 20 euros. From there, in a 5-minute time frame, the funds will arrive from your Revolut account to your Pocket Option account. And keep in mind that with larger amounts, you would need to confirm the transaction in the Revolut app. So essentially, that's guys how you can transfer funds from your Revolut account to your Pocket Option account, or fund your Pocket Option account using Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.